The prolonged detentions are basically saying that we're not a country of law, that we're a country of arbitrariness in detailing people, locking them up, said Justice Sonia Sotomayor Tuesday. It's a situation considered unacceptable by the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, which supports a class action launched by Mexican Alejandro Rodriguez and other immigrants. 3 years behind bars, for nothing. It is amazing that for a citizen who is arrested for committing a crime gets a hearing within 48 hours, at which if the government can't demonstrate that this person affirmably poses a risk of flight or a danger to the community, he is out, said David Cole, ACLU National Legal Director. Yet for a foreigner, who has committed no crime, we detain them for 6 months without any hearing whatsoever. Having arrived in the United States at a young age, Rodriguez was granted legal residence and worked as a dental assistant. But after he was arrested for driving a stolen vehicle and drug possession, authorities began deportation proceedings. He spent over 3 years behind bars pending completion of removal proceedings, and was finally released after the ACLU filed a lawsuit. Rodriguez eventually won his fight to stay in the United States, according to the ACLU. Asylum seekers face the same problem, among them Mahilan Nataraja, who faced torture in his home country of Sri Lanka. Detention equal prison. Judges seemed receptive to the ACLU's arguments in November, but doubtful about the prospect of introducing bond hearings for anyone who has been detained 6 months. But for those involved, these prolonged detentions are no different from a prison sentence. Immigrants are made to wear prison clothes, subjected to the searches and surveillance expected of a prison, and can also be placed in isolation. Meanwhile, family visits are limited to a conversation behind a screen or by video link. The top U.S. court is to deliver their decision by the end of June 2018.